kitchen, cooking with Shantae. I'm glad to be here. Today I'm going to make a smoothie, one of my famous smoothies. So here we have the triple berries. We got the triple berries, the blueberries, the raspberries, and the blueberries. We're going to put these in here. Let's get it all. Okay. We have pineapple. And we have the strawberries. Some heavy whipping cream. About a tablespoon or two of peanut butter. Oh, look at that. That'll work. Okay, so I like to put a little sesame seed oil, just a teeny bit, and some ice. We got all of our ingredients in. Now we're going to put the top on. Alright, here we go.
You might want to note for the lactose intolerant, you can substitute almond milk or.
Oh, them motherfuckers know what they do.
Fuck them if you want to.
They know what they can eat just fine. Well, we're going to do it like this.
Ooh. You know you can still add more fruit to that.
Huh?
You can still drop some more fruit in there.
No, it's got plenty of fruit. We ain't got no more.
That kills that idea.
I didn't want it this thick, but...
You can always thin it out. It looks good to me though.
Are you on it?
Yeah. I know what I'm doing.
This is what we gotta work on. Okay.
Wow, it's been 10 minutes already.
All right. Wait. Wait there. God dare you can't be doing that. Whose show is this? It's my show. You might have to edit some shit.
You know that ain't gonna happen.
I'm gonna put it in bloopers. That's what I'm putting in. At the end, we do bloopers. Oh, that's what I need to get started. Why you looking at me? You're supposed to be looking. It's delicious though, but
I wouldn't know.
it's kind of thick. But I like it like that. I did it. Oh, we forgot something. A little bit of
Now it's my time to keep. Whoa.
okay.
Alright.
There you have it. Zoom in. You ain't got all this, do you? That's the smoothies. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.